Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pat Alvaro, Senior Vice President for ICT Canada. We're here at Security Canada 2024. I just want to take you through some of the products that we're showing here at the show, starting with our Protégé wireless locks. These locks were introduced earlier this year. They currently comprise our cartridge mortise locks that are typically used for new construction. The key aspects or features of this lock is that they're primarily intended for new construction. So with that, you've got two pockets in the door, one for the mortise lock, the other for the electronics. And what this provides is a very seamless look and feel on the inside of the apartment where the battery pack is not actually visible. So it provides a very clean look and feel to the inside of the door. We also have our motorized deadbolt locks. These are typically used for apartment or condominium applications. They come in various finishes like our flat black or satin chrome. So these can be used both in new construction as well as retrofit applications. We're also really excited to introduce our new Milestone bidirectional integration, just introduced this past month at GSX in Orlando. So with our Milestone bidirectional integration, it now allows a user to decide what their primary pane of glass is going to be. So if you're an operator that is very video-centric, that is tasked with monitoring video surveillance, then you may choose to use the Milestone XProtect interface as your primary go-to in terms of viewing live camera feeds and also controlling devices that actually reside in our Protégé GX system, such as the ability to unlock and check the status of doors. You're also able to generate alarms and respond to those alarms through the Milestone XProtect software. Or you may also be a user that is very access control and intrusion-centric focused. And in those instances there, you would utilize the Protégé GX interface as your primary pane of glass, thus allowing you to, again, control the same doors that are connected to the GX system and as well provide additional video information by linking cameras from the Milestone XProtect video surveillance system and applying them to doors and areas in the access control system. So in addition to providing the ability to deploy ICT hardware within LSP enclosures or even Ultronics Trove enclosures, we're also showing the ability to deploy our DIN rail hardware into a PowerPlex enclosure box with added access control distribution power boards. This allows you to provide a more neat and tidy deployment of the hardware. So this is a service that we're going to be potentially offering here in Canada, where we pre-wire all the access control modules, our DIN rail modules in essence. So we connect the RS-45 module bus. We also connect inputs such as the door status, the request exit, as well as the reader connection, and also providing a terminal block along the bottom that has all the doors and inputs properly labeled. So this attempts to reduce the amount of time a technician takes on site to wire an enclosure. This particular model can support 16 doors of access control, and we would deliver this in a pre-configured fashion, which simply means that the technician arrives on site, mounts it on the wall, connects the readers, inputs, and rexes along the bottom, and there's no need to worry about potential communication errors due to wiring faults or due to the system being wired incorrectly by the technician. It also reduces the amount of labor time spent on site, as I mentioned, so it attempts to reduce the expense base. One of the major challenges in the industry these days is finding qualified technicians. So being able to deploy a product like this makes installations a lot smoother and easier to manage. Thank you for your time. For further information, please visit our website at www.ict.co.